My name is Zupic. I'm a lecturer in entrepreneurship at the Institute of Management Studies at Goldsmiths, University of London. So we're a small London university based in South London, primarily known for its creativity. So primarily topics that I teach are entrepreneurial finance and entrepreneurial project. And research-wise, I'm interested in bringing digital methods from like artificial intelligence or text analysis into management research, and also interested in other topics in entrepreneurship and innovation and strategy. Well, for improving the visibility of research, first, you want to write about a topic that is contemporary, that is relevant, not just for academia, but also for practitioners. Secondly, you want to make it accessible and as visible as possible. So you want to put it on open access if you can, if not, publish on ResearchGate or other preprint portals, then tweet about it, write about it on LinkedIn, write about it on blogs, promote it on conferences, promote it on research seminars, and so on. Well, the workshops were great. I think the participants have a lot of knowledge, so not only they learned from the workshops, but I also learned from them. I think we had a lot of great ideas how to improve the visibility and the citations and impact of the research. So I think it was a really great collaborative experience.